What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and today y'all read by the title, today I'm getting a sew-in. Yes, I am. And today I will be using Nadula Hair, so make sure you go check it out. Everything that you need to know will be down below in the description box. This is such a good hair, and I can't wait to get this hair in my head because I'm ready to slay. And then this hair is gonna be kind of pretty long. I have 28 inches. Let me make sure I have everything right, okay? 26, 28, and 26. So it's gonna be pretty, you know, normal. Well, I mean, a little longer than my hair is. Hold on, I think I'm too bright. Hold on. So yeah, just got here. I'm waiting on her to get here. I know we were both running a little late because she called me and she thought that I was out here waiting. I'm like, no, baby, I'm running late too. I'm sorry. And but I woke up. The crazy part about it is that I literally woke up. Sorry to know a job, but they cutting yard or whatever. The crazy part about it is I woke up at 6, shower and everything. Corey got up and stuff. Then next thing you know, CJ got up, so he kind of kept us up for a good minute, and he fell asleep, so we fell asleep with him too. So oh y'all, hold on. Hello. Yeah, you good. All right. She running late because traffic, y'all. I can't blame her. It's traffic. We had a lot of traffic too, but the Uber was kind of pushing through it. And the reason I had to drive Uber today was I need to get a tire fix on my car, so I can't drive my car. And then Aiden was still asleep, so I didn't want to wake Aiden up, so I just told Corey to just stay home with the keys. I just over here, which is not a big deal to me, you know. Yeah, so I'm getting a sewing. It's gonna be a straight long hair. I'm gonna get them inches you already know. Can't wait, guys. Also, the giveaway will be done this week, so stay tuned. Like I said, it will be done Instagram, but I've seen a lot of comments that a lot of people said they don't have Instagram or can't get to Instagram. So what I was thinking is that I might just go ahead and do it on YouTube, go live on YouTube, then do it on YouTube. Which I think that's what we gonna do. But yeah, guys, so make sure you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel because my channel is growing and I love it just like I love y'all, and can't wait for, you know, to see bigger things, because don't stop. Like, this is just the beginning, you feel me? But guys, so basically currently I will just be sitting here. I would just sit here and wait on my girls to get here. We'll see what she gonna do, because I think my hair is a little wet because I washed my hair this morning, so I don't know. Well, it's kind of drying off now, but yeah, guys, so I would just see you know, in a little bit and see what it do. Do not forget to go check out Nadula Hair. Everything will be down below in the description box. And hopefully, you know, they have everything. They have wave hair, they have straight hair, they have curly hair, and they have all inches. When I say all inches, I mean all inches, okay? I'm talking about like 40 inches, right? Anything, you feel me? They got anything, so make sure you go check them out. I will put all the information down below. So yeah, so I will see you in a little bit.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So yeah, I'm still waiting, you know. Yeah, so I'm just sitting out here waiting, you know. It don't bother me at all. I'm just sitting here waiting. It don't bother me, y'all. So I'm like, I was a little sarcastic when I bother me. I'm just sitting here chilling, you know. Hopefully she come a little faster because it is kind of hot. So I need to brush my eyelashes. I need to get my eyelashes done, like ASAP. I need to get a fill in. That's what I need to do. But like I told you in my last video, I never go back to get a fill in. That's just me. I would just go in there and just get a full set instead of keeping up with them. Just get a fill in, and it will be less time to lay down and stuff. But guess what it is? That's gotta look better now. Here's what it is. You already know, and it's already hot, and I'm ready to go. Oh, y'all wasn't ready for that. Y'all wasn't ready for that. Wasn't ready for that. Oh man, it's kind of hot. No, it's not kind of. It's hot. Honestly, it is. Girl, get your butt in here, girl. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna sit here and wait, right? Because I don't have no other choice but to wait, and it's gonna be worth it because I gotta get these girls done. Did I really say girls? I think I really did, but yeah. Can y'all hear me clearly? Because they cutting the yard, and then it's like every time I turn the camera on, they want to start cutting the yard. Like, why when I got the camera off, y'all don't make no noise? Y'all know what y'all be doing. They know what to be doing. I'm telling you, I look good though. no makeup, no none of that, none of that, and I still look good. Okay, you hear me? Period. Baby girl, you gotta look good with or without it. You feel me? But for real though, like the only reason why I really don't like makeup or don't wear makeup is because makeup kind of can damage your face, like your skin. If you wear makeup every day and then when you decide not to wear makeup, it's more of like skin color is like kind of gone a little bit and your face start looking dead, start looking like you sick. It's like when I have my eyelashes done, you know. It's like when I have my eyelashes done, I look, you know, good, I would say. When I don't have them done, I do look good still, but it's like I look different. I look like my eyes just look sick, like I'm just sick, because it's a different type of, how can I say, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so it's the same thing with makeup. Like when you decide to wear makeup a lot every day, and the day that you decide to, oh, let me give my face a break, that's when you look sick, because you wear makeup every day. And that's how it is, that's how it goes. Oh well, yeah, I'm ready to get this hair done, cause it's hot, baby, it's hot. Baby girl, where you at? You need to come on, cause my time is precious. Like, where you at? You know, I've been here for a good minute now, and I know it's traffic, but your car need to move a little faster. You need to hit the gas a little faster, baby girl. You need to zoom, little girl. Girl, waiting on you, baby. Make me regret this now, cause man, I'm this close to regret this, because it's hot out here, and being hot out here is not the best feeling, you know. I'm just waiting on you, and it better be cold inside, because if it's hot inside, oh baby, I'm gonna regret this. Oh man, I'm a fool, you feel me? So let me stop, I'll get right back to y'all.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so my hair is all braid it up, or however you say that, however that sounds. Yeah, see, what if my hair was like this? My girl right here, she's doing my hair, and right now, you know, make sure you go subscribe to her channel. The link will be down below in the description box. She's doing her first huge giveaway when she hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you go check her out. You know, she's in Houston, so if you want to get your hair done like me, want to look like me, want to look slay and all that, just go check her out, okay? But listen, y'all, so right now my hair is just all, you know, braid up. They got to cover all, y'all already seen that. And right now she's just waiting for the hair to dry so she can go ahead and style the hair. Do not forget that I'm doing Nadula Hair, just in case if you want to try the hair. This kind of bothers me, so yeah. So if you want to try the hair, go check it out. Everything will be down below in the description box, guys, and I will just see y'all whenever I'm done. I need to get my eyelashes on. You see that? Look at these, y'all. My eyelashes look bad. They need to be done ASAP. I need to make an appointment, so I'm gonna go ahead and make an appointment, see when she will be able to do my eyelashes. So yeah.
1 hour later.
It's still waiting on the hair to dry, y'all. This is bad. That's how my hair look. I need it back. This is like my 4th cooked already. I had ordered some Subway earlier because I was really starving. It's so bad.
5 hours later.
So guys, I'm finally home. Sorry I couldn't record, but my hair is gonna look a little messy right now, but I was putting on baby Siggy to sleep because my baby was sleepy, so I had put him to sleep. But I'm home and y'all already seen my hair. I got this. Y'all know that? Y'all see that? Oh yes. Let's see if I can set my camera. Y'all gonna be able to see it though. Well, y'all gonna be able to see it right there, alright? Y'all see that? Oh, got them anxious, girl. You already know. Oh. So picture like, you know, I gotta take my pictures like, like I'm a bad, you already know. Let me stop feeling myself, okay? But yeah, guys, so I got my hair done. Remember, this is Nadula Hair. Everything you need to know will be down below in the description box. They be having specials going on, so make sure you go check them out. And it look like finna rain, so let me get back in the garage. So yeah, guys, so I got my sewing and stuff, and it looks good so far. Can't lie, won't lie. You feel me? Like, you feel me? But yeah, guys, so with that being said, guys, make sure you like this video, comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and also turn your post notification bell on, because you do not want to miss my videos. I'm pretty sure you don't. So with that being said, guys, I will just see you in the next video.